Hello students, today we are going to discuss about cooking and preservation. Now let us talk about cooking. There are so many talents in the human beings. One of the talent is cooking. So many humans has the talent of cooking. It is an art, science and craft of using heat to prepare food. We will use heat in many ways. But by using heat, we can also prepare food. It is also the craft or art. It is unique to humans. Humans only can cook food, whereas plants and animals does not cook. Plants prepare their own food, but they will not cook food. Animals move in search of food, but they also does not cook. Only the humans has the talent of cooking food and cooking food to consume. What things we use to cook food? By what the cooking or food is prepared? Let us talk. We cook food by using ingredients. What are ingredients? The materials which are used to cook food are called ingredients. The things which we are used to cook are called ingredients. For example, vegetables, fruits, pulses, nuts, etc. The ingredients which we are used for cooking are all living organisms. Second example is meat, eggs and dairy products. Etc. Third example is mushrooms, yeast and many other things. Vegetables, fruits, pulses and nuts comes from the plants, whereas Meat, eggs, dairy products like milk, ghee and curd comes from the animals. Whereas mushrooms and yeast are the fungi. As you know that plants and animals are living organisms. The things which comes from the plants and animals are also living organisms. These are the ingredients which we are used to prepare food. Cooks also use the water and minerals like salt in the cooking. The person who cooks food are called cooks. They also use water and minerals in the cooking. Whereas the natural ingredients contains carbohydrates, proteins and fats. These are very useful to our strength and healthy. The natural ingredients contains carbohydrates, proteins and fats which are healthy to our body. Do you know that there are some methods of cooking food? Let us know about that. There are many methods of cooking food by using heat. First one is boiling, roasting, grilling, steaming, etc. These are the methods these are the methods of cooking food. Boiling, we can boil any item before cooking, or this is the process of cooking food. Roasting, grilling, steaming and frying. Etc. These are the methods of cooking food. Do you know there are the types of cooking? Yes, there are two types of cooking. One is home cooking. The other one is commercial cooking. Let us know about these two. Home cooking is the cooking done in home. Whereas the commercial cooking done in restaurants or any other places. The cooking done in home, that means our mothers cook food at home. This cooking is in home is called home cooking. Whereas in restaurants or in any other places, the cooks or the chefs The chef's cook is called commercial cooking. Home cooking is very easy and it is very simple to do, whereas commercial cooking is tough and it is very complicated. So students, this is all about cooking. Now let us discuss about what is preservation. What is preservation? The process of treating food to slow down the spoiling is called preservation. That means the food gets spoiled after some time or after some days. For controlling that, we will use some for controlling that we will use that preservation. This process is called preservation. To avoid the spoiling of food by some other materials is called preservation. The materials which are used to preserve food are called preservatives. There are so many preservatives which are used to control the spoiling of food. There are some preservatives. For example, salt, sugar, turmeric, oil, etc. Salt, sugar, turmeric powder and oil. These are all natural preservatives. Which comes from the nature. Nitrates, sulfates, etc. are also the preservatives, but they are chemical preservatives. These are the natural preservatives, whereas nitrates and sulfates are the chemical preservatives. When we does not preserve the food gets spoiled. When we eat that spoiled food, you may cause many other diseases, and sometimes it may cause death too. So it is very important to preserve food by some natural preservatives or chemical preservatives. So students, there are some techniques to preserve food. Let us learn about that. First one is drying. This is used to dry the food items. It is used to dry the food items, or it is used to remove moisture from the food items. When there is a moisture to the food, it will get spoiled very fastly. For example, fish, etc. Food like fish, when it is very moist, it will spoil very fastly. So that you can observe this drying of fish near the beach or sea. When we will dry the fish under the sunlight, the fish loses its moisture and it will be preserved for many days. This is the process. This is the technique of drying. Second technique is freezing. Freezing means it will keep the food cool in very low temperatures. The foods like vegetables, fruits, etc. should be cool to preserve more days. How do you we will keep the fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator to keep them very cool. By doing this, we can preserve the fruits and vegetables for long time. The third preservative is salting. Salt is the best preservative. While we sprinkle the salt on any food item, it can preserve for many other days. Fourth one is pasteurizing. It first heats the food and cools the food. This process is called pasteurizing. This pasteurizing are mostly used for milk. By doing this pasteurization to the milk will preserve for more days. Milk is first heated. After heating the milk, it cools by some coolers. After cooling this milk, they pack into the packings and they sell. Pasteurizing is also a technique to preserve the food. The best example of pasteurizing is milk. Nitrogen gas. The other technique for preserving the food is nitrogen gas. These are used in the packings. As all of you like some kurkures or lays which you eat daily or more. The packings are covered with nitrogen gas so that the food inside the packings will not spoil. These packings can be preserved for 4 months or 5 months. These are the techniques which we are used in the preserving of food. We learned in this lesson about cooking and preservation. Cooking is the talent which some humans have. After cooking the food, we should preserve properly. If we do not preserve the food, it spoils, and when we eat the spoiled food, we may cause many diseases and sometimes it may lead to death. Thank you.